Welcome back to Travel with Us for Life. This week, we take you with us to St Augustine, Florida. We recently visited St Augustine for a couple of days and we got some really cool area footage that we wanted to share with you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. St Augustine is a city in the northeast coast of Florida, roughly about 4 hours north of Miami. The city was founded in 1565 by the Spanish and it lays claim to being the oldest city in the United States. Spain finally ceded Florida to the United States in 1819 when it became the capital of Florida for just 5 years until 1824. Because of the Spanish roots, St. Augustine is known for really cool Spanish colonial architecture, as well as some really beautiful beaches like St. Augustine Beach and Crescent Beach. The main side of the city is the fort, Castillo de San Marcos. Built in 1672, it's actually the oldest masonry fort in the continental United States. You can visit the fort for $15 per person and get some really amazing pictures with the marina in the background. Have you ever been to St. Augustine? What do you think? Did you like it as much as we did? Please make sure you tell us your opinion down below in the comments. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe so you get more awesome videos like this one every week.